Hello traders, it is me here, your admin Kofi on Leading Forex YouTube channel. Today we're going to take a short analysis, technical analysis on CADJPY. CADJPY. Currently CADJPY on the monthly time frame, this is how it looks like. So as you can see, we had a very strong support here, and currently that support has held here and it's currently making its way up. This is what on the monthly time frame we can all see. All right, if this is what is happening on the monthly time frame, then how will this weekly time frame be? I want to keep this analysis as short as I can. Today is 22nd of August 2020, Saturday, and so we need to look at how the coming weeks will be like for CADJPY. Now when you switch to the weekly time frame, you can see exactly what I said. So this is a support, and now that support has been respected here, and on the weekly time frame you can see CADJPY is making its way up. Now if this is what it is, let's come back to daily. Now on the daily time frame, this is what we see. One will say that yes, it broke through here, made its way up, came back to test where it broke. You see, this was a very strong resistance area, and you can see it here and see it at this side too. All right, so this was a very strong resistance area here which was broken, and now when it broke through, it made its way all up to test another resistance level here, two resistance level here. It came to test it and then made its way back to a support. This was a resistance, now that resistance was broken, so it's now a support. So it came back down to test the support, and as you can rightly see, it tested the support and the support has held perfectly, and currently it is making its way back up again. Now this was also another consolidation area within this trade or this currency. Now as you can see, it broke through this, it made a lot of consolidation here, broke through the consolidation, and now has come back to test the consolidation. Now this is the support, the new support area we are seeing. Now it has tested it, and as we can all see, if you can see, you will see that yes, indeed it tested it here and it has held perfectly. This was a test, it came back to test it, and currently CADJPY is on its way back up. Now what should be our target? This can be our next target at the top here, so we can be targeting about 100 pips if you don't mind. We can be targeting about 167 or 160 pips, but this trade can go up more than that. Yes, I anticipate that this trade should be able to go up above this. It should come to this level. This is where I'm looking at it. So if I'm looking at it from this angle, then it means I'm looking at it from here, but I still believe that it should be able to break through this and make its way up to the top here. This is where I believe this pair should be able to reach, somewhere here. All right, but in the near future, let's look at our first TP here, and once this is broken, then we can look at our second TP, which is here. So this is our first TP here. Currently CADJPY is on its way up to test this upper channel which we have here. It is a resistance zone, so it's coming back to test this resistance, and once this resistance is broken, then we can look at our next target, which is at the top here, at a price of 84.63. but currently we are looking at about 160 pips, which is 81.90 or so. So you can be targeting this. So this is CADJPY in the coming weeks, how this market will look like. All right, if you love what we do, subscribe to this channel and we have more for you. Technical analysis is never going to be best like this. Subscribe for more updates. All right, and also share our true story. Share this channel to other friends and loved ones, and you can also join our Telegram channel where you receive free signals, forecast, and then Forex updates. All right, see you in the next video.